1. 1970 Ford Pinto panel wagon, $6,000, Hawthorne, Nevada. The 1974 Ford Pinto panel wagon is a unique and fun classic, though this one is not an original panel wagon. It features a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it an easy-to-drive compact wagon. While it runs, drives, and stops, the car shows its age with rust at the bottom of the doors and an odometer that has rolled over. Recent maintenance includes a new aluminum radiator, brake cylinder, and fresh front tires. With its bright red paint and quirky charm, this Pinto is a great candidate for a light restoration or a nostalgic weekend cruiser. Two, 1972 Ford Gran Torino Coupe, $6,900, Yamhill, Oregon. This 1972 Ford Gran Torino Coupe is a true muscle car project. Powered by a Ford 302 V8 and a C4 automatic transmission, it runs and drives, shifting smoothly. Originally sold in Seattle, it still wears its medium green metallic paint but needs restoration. The title status is a lien title with a bill of sale from a tow yard, and the true mileage is unknown due to the odometer rolling over. As a third-generation Gran Torino, 1972 to 1976, this model is gaining appreciation among enthusiasts and offers a solid foundation with no major rust. $1970 Cadillac DeVille, $2,800, Garden City. A true land yacht, the 1970 Cadillac DeVille exudes luxury and American style. Powered by a massive 7.7-liter V8 with a 3-speed automatic transmission, it runs and drives well with just 38,000 miles. The floorboard needs attention, but the Fleetwood interior remains intact, adding to its premium appeal. This DeVille is an affordable entry into the world of classic Cadillacs and could be a great restoration project or stylish cruiser with some work. Four, 1975 Pontiac Grandville convertible, $5,400, Westfield, New Jersey. The 1975 Pontiac Grandville convertible was the last of Pontiac's full-size drop-tops, with only 4,500 units produced. It has a 400 cubic inch V8, but has been sitting for years and needs some TLC. Issues include a rusted fuel line, a broken rear window, and a non-functional passenger side window regulator. However, the interior is in good condition and the car remains structurally solid. Given its rarity, this Grandville offers a great restoration opportunity. 5. 1975 Chevrolet Malibu 2-door Landau, $8,500, Reno, Nevada. A true survivor, this 1975 Chevrolet Malibu Landau remains highly original. Featuring a 350 V8 automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, rally wheels, and rare swivel bucket seats with a center console, it's well equipped. The car retains its original patina and has never been wrecked, with a solid, rust-free body. Recent maintenance includes new tires, a new fuel tank, a rebuilt Turbo 350 transmission, and a custom dual exhaust system. This well-preserved classic is ready to drive and enjoy. Six, 1971 Triumph Spitfire, $4,500, Fairfield, Connecticut. The 1971 Triumph Spitfire is a charming British roadster known for its lightweight design and fun-to-drive nature. This example is in very good condition with no rust, benefiting from an older restoration. It comes with both a hardtop and soft top, both in good shape. Recently, it received a new gas tank and battery, making it a solid driver. For those looking for a nimble, affordable classic sports car, this Spitfire is a great choice. Hashes. Seven, 1972 Dodge Dart, $3,000 Texas. This 1972 Dodge Dart is a solid project car with numerous performance upgrades. It features front and rear sway bars, tubular control arms, B-body disc brakes, upgraded torsion bars, new leaf springs, and subframe connectors. Additionally, it has an 8.25 sure grip rear end with a 3.21 gear ratio. Though the odometer is broken, this Dart is a great starting point for a Mopar enthusiast looking to build a performance street machine or classic cruiser. 8, 1973 Ford Gran Torino Coupe, $5,000, Roseville, California. This 1973 Ford Gran Torino Coupe has been sitting for many years and needs a full restoration. It has a 351 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a clean title. As part of the second-generation Gran Torino lineup, 1972 to 1976, these cars have gained popularity due to their muscular styling and performance potential. If properly restored, this example could be a standout classic. Number 9, 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT Roller, $850, Pleasant Garden, North Carolina. A rolling project, this 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT comes with its original 350 small block V8 and a TH400 automatic transmission, but it hasn't run in 20 years. The engine is not believed to be locked up, making it a good restoration candidate. With a clean title and a solid platform, this Camaro offers an affordable entry into classic muscle cars. $10, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro RS, $3,500, Biggs, California. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro RS is a complete car with a clean California title and no back fees. Though it hasn't been started in a few years, it was running before being parked. With its distinctive late 70s styling and growing collector interest, this Camaro RS is an appealing project for a classic muscle car restoration. 11. 1981 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $10,000, Rockwall, Texas. With just 41,000 original miles, this 1981 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme remains in untouched, stock condition. It was purchased from an elderly owner and still retains its factory radio. Powered by a V6 engine with front-wheel drive, it runs and drives great. Given its originality and low mileage, this Cutlass Supreme is a rare find and a great addition to any collection.